Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today we will solve two easy problems. A cylinder is inscribed in a cube. Find the volume of the solid inside the cube but outside the cylinder. Square size dimensions is 2 meter by 2 meter. So ngayon, ginawa ko itong rough sketch niya. Ito yung cube. Ang cube meaning it consists of 6 equal squares. So, of course, the dimension of a square must be, the sides are equal. So, kung meron ditong dimension ng square which is 2 meter by 2 meter, that means ang sides din dito, the height ng nitong cube is 2 meter. Ngayon, ang hinahanap dito is the volume of the solid inside the cube but outside the cylinder. That means ito yun. Ito yung dito naka-green, naka-shades ng green. Yan yun. Hindi dito included yung sa labas lang ng cylinder pero sa loob ng cube. Ngayon, madali lang yan. Ang volume ng cube which is equal to the area times the height is equal minus the volume of the cylinder will result to the volume of the solid yung nasa loob ng cube pero sa labas ng cylinder. So, volume therefore, the volume of the cube is equal to area times the height which is equal to 2 times 2 times 2 times is equal to 8 and the volume of the cylinder which is equal to pi r squared h. That is the formula of the cylinder, volume of the cylinder. Therefore, to solve the volume of the solid inside the cube and outside the cylinder is equal to the volume of the cube minus the volume of the cylinder, which is equal to 1.72 cubic centimeter. Ang bilis, di ba? Basta alam mo ba ang formula ng cubes at saka ang volume ng cubes at saka volume ng cylinder. Another simple math problem that involves a cone inscribed in a cube. A cone is inscribed in a cube such that the base is in one of the face of the cube, 1 meter by 1 meter. What is the volume of the cone? Now, unang natin dito, i-sketch muna natin yung cone at saka yung cube. Ang sabi dito, ang cone naka-inscribe sa cube, that means ang cone nasa loob, pero ang face ng cone, yung circular shape, nasa base ng naka-attach sa base ng cube. Tapos yung vertex niya nasa pinaka-upper side ng cube. So, that means ang height ng nito, ang height ng cone will be 1 meter. Kasi nandoon yung vertex ng cone dito nakadikit sa taas. Tapos yung base naman ng cone nakadikit sa base ng cube. So, ang height ng cone is equal to 1 meter. So, ang R naman, paano natin masolve yung R? Of course, halimbawa, ilagay natin yung ito dito. Yung square dyan. Tapos, naka-inscribe yung halimbawa, andito. Kung titingnan natin ito sa top view nito, ito ang makita natin. Circular shape, tapos, of course, dahil ito square. So, 1 meter and 1 meter din to. So, ang sentro nito, kasi naka-inscribe nga, that means dikit na dikit talaga yung circle dito in one point, dito rin, at dito rin. So, ang R niya, of course, will be equal to half of the side of the square, which is equal to 1 meter. So, half of it is equal to 0.5 meter. Therefore, meron na tayong R, meron tayong H, masolve na natin ang volume of a cone which is equal to 1/3 pi times the radius which is 0.5 meter squared times the height which is 1 meter. Therefore, the volume of a cone is 0.26 cubic meter. Now, dito, simpleng-simple talaga, madali lang masolve. Kailangan mo lang talaga malaman ma-memorize mo ang volume of a cone which is equal to 1/3 pi r squared h.